and I'm gonna introduce on how is it that you prepare before you go and plant your ginger seedlings. First, you have to heat up your water. It is just plain water up until 50 degrees Celsius, and then you put your ginger inside the pot. We're using firewood instead of gas because gas is very expensive. Firewood is easy inside the pot. Get firewood from wherever it is that's nearby. And you heat up the water up until 51 degrees Celsius. You put your ginger seedlings inside, and since the temperature will go back to 0 degrees, you have to wait until 10 minutes for the temperature to go back to 51 degrees Celsius before you put it out, and then you put it out in the sun and sun it up so that the ginger don't decay. And this is the outcome where we sun it out there on the bamboo posts where we put it out in the sun up until and then after that then you put it out in there, prepare it for up to 2 to 3 days out in the sun until you can take it up and then plant it. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.